Hi, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you for having me.
I appreciate it. Can you tell us your name and your business and a little bit more about what it is that you do?
My name is Amira Hemme, and my company is Precious Memories. And what I do is I'm a photo organizer.
Can you tell me a little bit more about how you got connected with ThriveHive?
You know, social media, it just doesn't come naturally to me, and I feel like I need some help. So I've been looking outside of ThriveHive, and I found some people, but they just were kind of overselling. They were wanting to give me more services than I felt like I really wanted or needed. When I was contacted by ThriveHive for this program, it was like perfect. The price was right, the frequency was right, what they were offering, the services that they were offering was right. So it just looked really perfect for me, for my small business.
So what led you to jump on board with ThriveHive and choose ThriveHive?
That the price was right and the services that were being offered were what I needed. So once I started working with Raquel, I just really enjoyed working with her. She really gets my business, and she really gets what it is that I need. I feel like I learn a lot, and it's pleasant to work with her.
So how did ThriveHive help you overcome some of your business challenges?
She's helping me figure out what I need to do with the Google My Business to get that right. And she's helping me with the posts to keep that going.
I heard that you are enjoying the monthly phone calls and the weekly post reminders. Can you talk about that a little bit more?
Well, the phone calls are an hour long, and we go over everything that had transpired over the previous month. New testimonials, we'll go over that. We'll go over perch. We'll go over what the post and what the ad looks like, and then what we need to do for the next month.
What exactly do you like most about ThriveHive's services?
Everybody that I've talked to so far has been super helpful and super nice, and it's just enjoyable to work with somebody to get something done in a pleasant way. It's getting me where I need to be for my small business.